I wanted to order 2 different Mel's mystery boxes. Normally they run $98 and they say they're handpicked. So I'm like, I've ordered mystery boxes in the past. I've gotten big items, little items. Normally if they're little, they put extra in there. So I was like, let's see if I order 2 of them at the same time, like what would they get inside of them. But I will tell you, I've opened this box and I'm not happy, because I've had mystery boxes in the past where they're like, definitely you can tell like probably they're handpicked and they're like different and all that. But these ones were the same exact thing to like every little thing. So I'm gonna open it and show you. Like, I love the heart necklace in here, and I do think a couple of the things are really pretty, but I just hate that like both boxes, when I ordered at the same time, that they came like the exact same, which I did write the company. They did say once, you know, sales are final. But okay, so that was the first box, and I just got the things out, and then this is the second box, and these both did come in the same exact box. So that's why I was like, yeah, I don't know what happened. Like, okay, so we're gonna take out that one. This one is the diamond one. I'm hoping that I don't have to go through all of them to find the diamond. Okay, so it's right up top. Oh, nope, that's the heart one. Give me 1 second. And I'm not hating on the things that are in here. I think they're really cute, especially like the heart necklace, like absolutely cute. I'm gonna take everything out of the bag, but I just want to show you like the exact same necklaces, the exact same heart necklaces, the exact same like, and like these earrings are cute, but the exact same, and then the exact same earrings, but like cute. Like, I'll show you, like 4 and 4 in 2 different boxes, but the exact same. So I was like, and yeah, I'm like sitting there like, maybe I didn't read the description very well, but it does say handpicked. And then so my mom always watches my stuff too, and then she had ordered like a couple weeks before. I'd thought like, let me just see if, you know, getting 2 Mel's boxes are different. She had ordered 2 weeks prior to mine, and she has like this heart necklace, this diamond thing, and then these earrings. So what we came to conclusions of, we think like maybe they just have like a big sprawl out in like their warehouse, and they just like, they hand pick them because they're using their hands, and they just pick and they like put them in boxes. And when I did write the company, they kind of said like, you kind of get what you get, and we don't do returns or all that. So I am sad in the sense that like, I wish there was a little bit more watching to see who is ordering, but I do think that all the items were on the bit smaller side, in the sense that like I've had mystery boxes where if I've gotten like a necklace like this, basically because I have a lariat that drops down and it's a teardrop. So this is actually on not the lariat was on a chain, but this one's not on a chain. So I would say that these ones I guess are considered bigger because the diamonds are bigger. And then that's why they paired them with the other thing. But I've had boxes where like I've gotten really big earrings with smaller necklaces, or I've gotten like the lariat chains with smaller earrings. I don't know, so I don't know how they do that, but I do think that these earrings are really cool. Like they have like the little diamond studs in them and all that. And so I thought that was really cute, because I do love like studs. Like, even though I'm trying to get into doing the hoops and all that, I do love stud earrings too, because they're just really easy to pair with a lot of things. These are really cute. And like I'm saying, I'm not complaining about what I got. It does make me a little sad that like, if you guys are watching and you're wanting to do a couple of Mel's mystery boxes, it kind of made me sad, because I'm like, oh, like, what if that happened to one of the people that is watching? And then I'm like, I feel like that just would be so weird for them to like get 2 of the exact same stuff, especially since like I do a lot of the ambassador stuff, and I have spent a couple, not a bunch. I think the max I've ever spent was $20 to fork out my own earnings to go back to like my family and everything to help them with bills. But when I do get a little extra, I do like to spend on jewelry, especially like the Melinda's ones, because I love like the jewelry and everything, and I love like the lifetime warranty that you get with it. Like I have this, okay, don't pay attention to my other ring, but this ring and then this ring, the little baby Harris, and then the emerald heart ring are hers, and I constantly wear those 2 all the time because I love them. And then I have a bunch of her other jewelry that I'm just in love with. So don't take this the wrong way, because I do think the jewelry is awesome. And I love the lifetime warranty that you get with it. But I'm just very sad in the sense that I'm like, this would have been like one of my audiences that was watching and like saw my stuff, and then they got something like this, and like it's the same exact thing. Like, but okay. Okay, so then we have these really cool spiky earrings. Those are just so unique. Like, I've never seen these in stores, or like not necessarily like these ones, but like in general, spiky earrings. So those are just cool. I like stud spikes. But yeah, like I said, I'm not knocking. I love this heart necklace. It is so cute, and like it goes great with the heart shirt. But and then like this diamond, I guess it's like a teardrop diamond necklace, is like really pretty. And then especially like depending on like what shirt you have and everything, that would be like really, really pretty. But yeah,